Hey coaches, it's Christina. Just wanted to make a quick video to tell you how much I appreciate you all for being on my team and doing what you do, helping change people's lives, ending the trend of obesity, getting yourselves healthier, getting your families healthier, and building and taking the time to build a business. It's not easy. I know it's not easy. I worked full-time, well, more than full-time most weeks, as a social worker, and still had, made time, didn't have time, but I made time to devote to Beachbody, to help other people, to help them see the light and give them the confidence that they can too change themselves and change the way their families are functioning, the way their health has affected their lives. There is power to change, and I just wanted to make that message and give that message to you all, that you guys are doing something incredible, and I'm so blessed that you have trusted me throughout these 3 years that I've been a coach. For those of you that have been with me since day one and with me the first couple of months as being a newbie coach, and just learning this process with me has been forever impactful in my life. And just wanted to share that little gratitude with you all. I had kind of an aha moment right now because I'm sitting in my car in front of Sam's Club. I have to go run some errands for a baby shower I'm throwing this weekend, pick up a few things, and I'm working right here in my car, sitting in my car. And it dawned on me that I was doing the exact same thing 3 years ago, because I would go, being a social worker, I had to be out in the field, so I would go to clients' houses, and I'd spend a few minutes in the car, composing my thoughts or whatnot, but also spend a few minutes answering messages on my phone to people that needed my help in a different way. And that was just a way for me to schedule in a little bit of extra time throughout the day to help other people. Excuse me. And it was just a revelation that I had, like, those same activities that I did back then, I still do them today, because I'm sitting in my car, again, working on my phone, answering messages, helping the team out. And yeah, it's pretty awesome to for one, to not be able to have to work as a full-time social worker anymore, to have the luxury to choose to stay home with my son and be a full-time Beachbody coach. But also, I still help people throughout the day, no matter what I'm doing. If I'm doing errands, like, stop for a moment, help people, and then go out about my life, my day. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So just wanted to say thank you, and keep doing what you're doing. You guys are awesome. Keep going on your fitness journeys, reach your goals, stay healthy, be an inspiration to somebody else, and never stop being an inspiration. Okay, have a great day, guys.